Hiya, Joker update. We're putting some pinstripes on it today. We've done a base coat of Vallejo Game Colour etched lichen for the base coat. 50-50 with Warlock Purple for highlights, and then I think we did a 2-to-1. 2 drops of that, 2 drops of dark, 1 drop of that, and then 2 drops for highlights. The lowlights, all the shadows, we've mixed a bit of stormy blue in there, and that's that. Shoes done, spats done, face is done. It's amazing. There we go. I had some trouble with the orange on this, it would not brush, so I had to use my airbrush, and we've got a pretty good finish on that one. Looking really good, isn't it? And there he is. The hair was it yellow olive, and then a bit of goblin green, just run across the tips. The waistcoat was a base of hot orange, and then over again with orange fire, and then the 50-50 mix for the highlights, and went gently with moon yellow, 50-50 moon yellow on top of that. Inside the coat was gold and green. I can't remember which gold. Glorious gold, I think, and a bit of Escapina green, could be, or could be livery green. And that's that. Still in 2 halves at the moment. Hope to have it finished this week. This is my first commission in about 2 years, and we're doing well. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'll see you on the next video when it will be complete. Bye.